Are you making these common mistakes in active and passive voice? Let's fix them today. In this lesson, we'll dive deeper into advanced rules, tricky mistakes, and when not to use passive voice. Quick refresher. In active voice, the subject performs the action. For example, the teacher explains the lesson. However, in passive voice, the object becomes the subject, and the action is emphasized. For example, the lesson is explained by the teacher. Some sentences have two objects, a direct object and an indirect object. Let's see how both can become the subject in passive voice. Both are correct, but the first one sounds more natural in spoken English. Passive voice is useful, but not always necessary. Here's when to avoid it. When the sentence becomes awkward, when the subject is important, and with intransitive verbs that don't take an object. Let's see how active and passive voice change across different tenses. Some tenses, like present continuous, she is writing a letter, can also be changed to passive. A letter is being written by her, but they're less common in everyday speech. Now let's see if you've mastered it. Convert this active sentence into passive voice. Think about it. Got the answer? Great job! Comment below how many you got right. If this lesson helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Light Up Intellect for more English lessons. And don't forget, practicing daily is the key to mastering grammar.